Okay, I've been working on another project. I've just finished the project for this video. Evidently I didn't have my volume on. I didn't have my mic on my camera. So there will be no sound other than music and this intro. I want to thank everybody for getting us above the 400 mark so far. We're at 406 as of today, and just plugging along, pushing towards that 500 subscriber threshold, hoping to get there in the next couple of weeks and work on maybe possibly getting to 1,000 before the end of the year. I don't know if I can do it. But you know, shoot for the stars and see how far you get, right? But I've got a video that'll come out here in a couple of weeks. I've started on the upper cabinets, painting them, well, sanding them right now, filling in all the holes and all the little nicks and whatever on the wood, so that I can paint it and it'll look half decent. This video, what I've done is my wife has for Christmas a manger scene, you know, the baby Jesus, Mary and Joseph, the camels, the wise men. She's got this manger scene with no manger. And last year she was going to have someone build a manger for her, but they couldn't do it. They haven't been able to do it this year. And I thought, you know, I can't go out and buy her a big old manger scene. It's not really that big, quite honestly. It's a tabletop type manger scene. The figures are maybe 14, 16 inches at the most high, but I thought I'd go ahead and I'd build her the manger for her manger scene. I'll build it, I'll stain it, and give it to her as an early Christmas gift to go along with the other things that I'm going to try to do for her for Christmas. With the year that we've had, being laid off, the pandemic, being on unemployment, and now unemployment running out, it's just been one heck of a year. 2020 can't get over quick enough. I guess, you know, keep it a positive outlook. God's in control. Whatever God has planned, he'll have it'll all work out for his good. So I'm just going to keep a positive outlook on that, and we'll go from there. This is going to be a quick video. It's scrap wood that I had around shop from other projects that I'd done, and it didn't take me that long. All it is just I built a kind of a lean-to type manger, and I'm going to put some lights in it at some point, and so we can light it up. And then I'll do another video for Christmas once she has it all set up, and I'll include that in our Christmas video. So anyhow, let me go ahead and we'll begin the build.
Thank you.